How to fix theme create with AI option not showing on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update the latest version. Now after updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now click on search and tap on Instagram. Now scroll down, tap on force stop, go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. If nothing solves the issue, maybe you have to wait for some time until Instagram release the update for your reason. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.